Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Pink Luster's Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. Yeah, the hair lotion, this Luster's Pink. I've used this on myself and my son's hair for a long time. I started using it for myself when I was like very young. I started when I was maybe probably 15 years old, and it was, you know, shown to me by my mother. And what it does is it actually gets into your hair, and if you have like curly hair, like straight to kind of curly hair, what it does is it adds a shine to it, a luster kind of to it. So you have kind of a wet look, but not having it be wet, and makes the curls in your hair large and shiny looking without it being like super greasy or slick and just coming down over your forehead, shiny looking, oily, that kind of thing. It doesn't do that. Just makes your hair look really shiny and healthy looking. And it helps your hair lay down, like if you're like trying to have your hair like brush down on the sides or something and lay down close to your scalp. This is good for that. This is really good for making your hair look like it's like being controlled, and it makes it healthy too. It protects the hair from like the sun, like if you're out in the sun a lot, and a lot of times your hair can get damaged and burn because of the heat and the rays from the sun. This helps it basically protect it from all that stuff. Like I said, I've been using this since I was very, very young, just a child, and I got turned on to it by my mom, and she used it religiously on herself and my other siblings, and she likes it, and so do I. I like it a lot, and it stays that way all day. And it doesn't just say pink, it really is a pink lotion that comes out. See, it comes out and it's actually pink. I mean, on camera it's a very light pink, but I mean, it kind of looks white on camera, but it's a very light pink. It actually is pink, and it's very good. And this is very, very popular with African American hair and ethnic hair. It's just really, really a healthy choice to revive and protect your scalp and your hair. And you don't have to use a whole lot to get the effect that you're looking for. You just put some in your hand and kind of rub your hands together, and then just dab it on your entire head, or the sides, the top, the back, the front, all of it, and kind of work it in. And you will see, as you're working it in, which doesn't take very long at all, that you'll see the shine and the silkiness start to take place. Like a lot of times right out of the shower and after you dry your hair can have this dull, flat look, and a lot of times your hair might be kind of frizzy, where it just looks like it's kind of like electricity going on in your head. Like, what I'm talking about. This takes care of that. It makes it look like you have everything under control, and it's all going in like a wave kind of direction, like especially on the sides. Like if you have hair that is not all the way shaved down to the scalp, but you have like just a little bit of hair set on the sides where you can brush it down. You put some on the sides of your head, of your hair, and you will see that the hairs lay down really nicely and stay that way, and along with the whole shine effect, you know. So it really does well, and I use it now on my son's hair, which is naturally curly anyway, but this helps it kind of stay in control and gives it that nice healthy shine, and that without having it like real frizzy and everything. And pretty much uses it every day, and it's good. Yeah, Luster Pink, I like it a lot, and I've used it for a very long time. I pretty much recommend this for just about everybody with that kind of hair, you know, that has that frizzy look, and you want to have the healthy, shiny, curly look. This will do it. All right. Well, that is the Pink Luster's Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. Yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.